Paintless Dent Repair, PDR, has revolutionized auto body restoration, offering a faster, more affordable, and eco-friendly alternative to traditional dent repair. Unlike traditional repairs that need sanding or repainting, PDR reshapes the metal with special tools while preserving the original paint. This preserves the vehicle's structural integrity and original finish, which helps maintain its resale value. Traditional repairs, while effective for large or deep dents, are often costly, time-consuming, and may lead to paint mismatches or diminished long-term value. PDR is cost-effective, fast, eco-friendly, and works directly on the metal with minimal disruption. PDR is most effective for minor dents, hail damage, and shallow dings where the paint remains undamaged, and it can be applied to both steel and aluminum panels. However, severe dents, sharp creases, or damage that compromises the paint may still require traditional repair techniques. The PDR process includes assessing the damage, reaching the dent, reshaping the metal with precision tools, and finishing with a smooth surface. This streamlined approach has made it a preferred choice for car owners and even insurance companies, particularly for hail-related claims. PDR is a smart, efficient, and eco-friendly repair method that saves money, adds convenience, protects value, and keeps the factory finish intact. If you need famous dent repair done, call Kevin at 832-275-4374. That's 832-275-4374. Or send email at kevin@DentWerx Paintless Dent Repair.com.